Hey guys, it's Mr. Mood again with your algebra lesson for today. Today we're going to talk about positive and negative number operations. At the end of this lesson, you're going to be able to add, subtract, multiply, and divide signed numbers. Let's start off with addition. When we have two numbers and they're the same sign, we take the numbers without any sign at all, we add them together, and the answer will be the sign of the larger number. For example, 2 plus 6. We add the 2 and the 6, we get 8. 6 is the larger number, so the answer is positive, so positive 8. The same thing would be true if we had two negatives. Negative 2 plus negative 6. We have 2 plus 6, that's 8. 6 is the larger number, which is negative, so the answer is negative 8. If we have two numbers that have different signs, we start off by taking the two numbers without any sign at all, and we subtract them. For example, 2 plus negative 6. We have 2 and we have 6. We subtract those two numbers, so 6 minus 2, we get 4. Then, just like before, the answer will be the sign of the bigger number. In this case, it'll be negative because the 6 is larger. So 2 plus negative 6 is equal to negative 4. If we have negative 2 plus 6, we take 6, subtract 2, we get 4. 6 is larger and it's positive, so the answer in this case is positive 4. Now let's talk about subtraction. When we subtract two numbers, we can change the subtraction into addition by adding the opposite number instead. For some of you guys, depending on which school you came from, middle school, you may know this as keep it, change it, change it. For example, if we have 4 minus 5, we're going to keep the 4, we're going to change the minus to a plus, and the 5 changes into a negative 5. Now we just use the rules we already learned about addition. So 5 minus 4 is 1, 5 is bigger, so the answer is negative 1. Or what if we have negative 3 minus negative 2? We keep the negative 3, we change the subtraction to addition, and the 2 becomes positive. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 is bigger, so the answer is negative 1. Multiplication and division go together because the same sign conventions work for both. When we multiply or divide numbers with the same sign, the answer will always be positive. For example, 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Negative 3 times negative 4 is also equal to 12. If we have two numbers with different signs, the answer will always be negative. So negative 3 times positive 4 is negative 12. Or if we change the negative, we get 3 times negative 4. That's still negative 12. So let's wrap it up. If we're adding numbers together that have the same sign, we just add the numbers together and we take the sign of the larger number. If the two numbers we're adding have opposite signs, we subtract the numbers and we take the sign of the larger number. When we subtract, we're going to actually change it into addition by using keep it, change it, change it. And then finally, multiplying and dividing, if we have two numbers with the same sign, the answer will be positive. If we have two numbers with different signs, the answer will be negative. Thanks, guys. See you next time.
That's all, folks.